whether you think we can do 10% in equities this year, despite how bad we feel and the volatility that we're experiencing now. And this idea that, okay, rates have gone up a fair amount in a fairly short period of time, but we're getting towards the end of the road. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's a really good part of the whole story here. It is tough to say what we end the year at. There's so much gyrations going on. We have a whole new regime at the Federal Reserve. We know all these things. We know where the Fed is going. 4 or 5 hikes. We know they're going to do balance sheet contraction. We know inflation's stickier and longer. What we don't know is how much the profit cycle itself will outdo the valuation decline. And if it's simple math, if the profit growth is higher than the valuation decline for this year, you have a positive market. From our perspective, we still think this is a market that's in a vortex right now. Jason and Josh talked about that revaluation, that reset. Tech is being split, and the money that's coming out of the split part, the unprofitable area, is going into, or at least some of it's going into, the less market cap areas like energy. So mathematics will tell you that the indices are going to struggle to get ahead of themselves. However, if you had $1 today and you're looking at all the asset classes and you're looking to rebalance, the net worth asset class is the growth asset class. That's equities. That's the difference between assets and liabilities. And that's still much more attractive than bonds or declining purchasing power in cash. So we think this is a buffalo market. What's a buffalo market? It's in the bull family. It can get tired. It roams quite a bit. It's rather heavy. And it's a grind it out across the prairie type of market where you get these vortex periods. Now, for the long-term investor, let's talk about it. The 5-year investor, these are fantastic buying opportunities in the equity space, in the part of the market that will have length of stay, the high quality end that's producing really solid free cash flow.